Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below as well as that notification bell so that you will be made aware as soon as your girl drops another video. So today, as a thumbnail suggests, we are going to get all into the new release from Melt Cosmetics. Now, I've never purchased anything from Melt Cosmetics, but when I seen this collection, I was like, I have to have that. I don't even smoke, but I had to have the Smoke Sessions palette. So let's get into this. I received this maybe 2 days ago. I've had it. Yeah, about 2 days ago. I received it in 2 days. It was excellent shipping. I think I got it the day before it was supposed to be released. It was like you could buy within 4 hours. It was made available. So I snagged it up then. I received it a couple days ago. And let's get into this box. So when you open it, you see the Puff Puff Pass. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute, you guys? Look at it. A little heart. It says Smoke Sessions Collection. And of course, meltcosmetics.com. So we have this paper here. Let's see what it comes with. Of course, my invoice, a little sticker. I mean, a little, card, marketing card. All right, and that's that. Came well protected in bubble wrap, which is awesome. Oh my god. The packaging feels amazing. Amazing. Let's open it. This is the kit and caboodle. It comes with a little info card, a little info insert as well. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. Holy cow. Yeah, that's it. Look at that. Look at that. Is it beautiful? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I have to swatch these. You guys are up for a little swatching? Let me see. Where am I gonna put this stuff? I guess we could do it right here. Alright, so the first one that I'm really excited for is the Gravity OG, which is a super pigmented gold color. I'm going to swatch that one first. Oh my god. Here we go. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. Alright. Going to go to the next color, my Clean Finger, and I'm going to go into Granddaddy. Now I heard that all of these eyeshadows were actually named after a strain of cannabis, which is totally awesome. Big ups to Melt. Oh, that's pretty too. They kind of look the same on camera, but in person in my mirror, Gravity OG is more of a pure, like, yellow gold. This is like a greeny gold, if that makes sense. Alright, next we are going to go into Black Widow right here. Cleaned off my finger. Oh, that's pretty. Like an olivey green. That's really pretty. Next, we're going to go into Sour Diesel, which is this, I don't know, it's like a dark browny, greeny type of color. So I'm interested in see how that's going to swatch. Let me clean off my finger. Oh, it feels so buttery. It feels amaze balls. Oh my god. Do you see how I could have kept going with that one? Oh OMG. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. It's beautiful. By far, it's my favorite right now. All right, next we're going to go into Space Queen. Like, it's a matte color too. Sour Diesel was matte as well. It's like a teal, like a dark tealy blue. Oh, that's pretty. You see that? Oh my God. All right, let me clean off my finger. Let's go into the next one. And this one is Mean Green. And that one's right here. All right. Isn't that pretty? All right, the next one that is up is Sweet Tooth, which is like this turquoise type of color. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. Wiping off my finger. All right, Sweet Tooth. Oh, somebody stop me. Look at that, you guys. Oh. How pretty is that? All right, last but not least, we're going to go into Blue Dream, which is like this pastel blue right here. Clean off my finger. All right. Oh my God, that feels amazing. Feels like butter, you guys. This one is really, really creamy. Get a little bit more on there. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, Diamond, here are all the swatches. They are super, super pretty. This palette is extremely buttery. I can't wait to do a few looks with these. I am actually going to dive into one right now. So if you're interested in finding out what look I come up with the Melt Smoke Sessions palette, you know what to do. Since there is no really good transition color in the palette, I did go ahead and grab my single shadow from Colored Rain called Gingerbread. Diamonds, I completely forgot to tell you how much the palette runs. It retails for $48. There are other things included in the collection. There's a smoke pipe, I believe, and then there's like 3 or 4 liquid lipsticks, but I just bought the James Charles collection, so I really wasn't interested in that other stuff. I definitely wanted to focus on just the eyeshadow palette. The first shadow that I'm going to lay down from the palette is Sour Diesel. I'm going to place that in my crease, and as you see, right above. I really didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do with this, but after I laid that Sour Diesel, I decided to do a cut crease. So what you see me doing is actually putting the concealer in mid of my lid and then looking or pressing up. That way it'll tell me how high to go and where to stop. Now on the outer corner, I'm going to pack on Space Queen and I'm going to blend it forward slightly. For the rest of my lid, I'm going to pack on Gravity OG. To blend Space Queen and Gravity OG together, I'm going to take a little bit of that Mean Green and kind of blend the two out. Hey diamonds, this is the completed look. I did go ahead and add some liner and some falsies, of course. To finish up the bottom, I did go ahead and I threw Sour Diesel and Space Queen down there. And I also put in some of that Blue Dream in my inner corner. I absolutely love this palette. It is so pigmented. The only con to this is that there is quite a bit of fallout. So I do recommend doing your foundation last, just so that you won't mess up your highlight or anything like that. But diamonds, if you enjoyed this look, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And diamonds, as always, until next time.